Hi everyone, my name is P. Veeranarayana from CSCG section. My bearing roll number is 24BQ1A051B. Today I am going to discuss about evaluation of postfix expression. First, we have to discuss about algorithm evaluation of postfix expression. Here P is an postfix expression. It can be reduced into a single value. The given postfix expression scans from left to right, and there are some steps required for evaluation of postfix expression. Add closing parenthesis to the end of the expression P. Scan every element of the postfix expression P and repeat the step 3 and step 4 until a closing parenthesis is occurred. If the scanned element is an operand, then push it into the stack. If the scanned element is an operator, then there are two conditions. First one is pop the top two elements of the stack, and second is evaluate B into A, where A is the topmost element of the stack and B is the below element of A. And next step is push the result of B into A into the stack and finally set the result of topmost element of the stack. And the last step is stop. Here the example for evaluation of postfix expression. First we need to add a closure parenthesis at the end of the postfix expression, and after that we need to draw the table with two columns. First one is scanning element and second one is stack. Here the scanned element is 4. As we all know, if the scanned element is an operand, then push it into the stack. As like as here, the scanned element is 4, it is an operand, then push into the stack. Here 5 is also an operand, then push into the stack. Here 7 is also an operand, then push into the stack. Here 2 is also an operand, then push into the stack. And we go to the next step here. Here the scanned element is an operator. Here the scanned element is an operator. Is an operator. Uh, Then there are two conditions. First condition is pop the top two elements in the stack. Here the top two elements are 7 and 2. Here 2 is considered as A and 7 is considered as B. And then we go to the second step, evaluate B into A. Here the operator is plus, then B plus A. That is equal to 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Um, Finally, similarly, here minus and star is also an operators. Again, pop the top two elements, and finally we get the results minus 16. And then next, and we go through the next step. If the scanned element is closing parenthesis, then stop the process. Thanks for listening my words with your patience. Thank you so much.